Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my September Boxycharm unboxing and try on. So if you guys want to see what I got in my box and you want to see me complete my face of makeup with everything that's in here, then just keep on watching. So it looks like the theme of this month is all access, so kind of like a Hollywood theme. And as always, I have the card in here with all of the products that I got in my box and the values and everything. So I am just going to dive right in. I know I do have one product that I will not be trying on my face because it's a sleeping mask. So this is from Dr. Brandt. We've seen Dr. Brandt in the box before. This is the Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this is a very pricey skincare product. It retails for $52. So already that is over twice what you're paying for this box. So here is the sleeping mask, and it says to apply the mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse and use nightly. So you just leave it on when you go to sleep, and I'm not exactly sure. Let me read the description. The description says it's a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. So I do have dry skin, so it's supposed to be hydrating. I think this is going to work well for me, but I will have to try it a few nights here and replace some of my other skincare items and see how I like it working it into my routine. But the rest of the items I can try on for you guys. So next up, we have a brush set from Moda. This is a 5-piece brush kit. It retails for $27.95. So I think I have some of these Moda brushes in my collection already, and I do really like them. They're really soft and nice, but I'm going to use these with the eyeshadow palette to do my eye makeup today. So it looks like a good mix of blending and packing brushes. It has a little liner brush and some detail brushes. So I like these. They're also matte black, and I like the studded handle. I think they're really nice to hold. And for my eyeshadow, we have a palette in the box this month. Now, I do think there were a few variations that I would have liked better just because I love neutrals, but I got the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. This retails for $29. So here's what the inside of the palette looks like, and it is definitely beautiful, but I know that I think some people are getting Tarte palettes that are all neutral mattes, and also the Too Faced Natural Face palette I think was another option. But I do like this, and hopefully I'll be able to come up with a pretty look today. There's a pretty decent mix in here. We have some pinks and oranges, there's an emerald color and a cinnamon color, so I think I'm gravitating towards doing like a warm eye look. So I think first I'm going to take this blending brush and the shade Sand, and I'm going to blend this peachy shade into my crease. Then I'm going to take a detail brush and I'm going to pick up the shimmery white called Cream. And I'm going to put this on my brow bone as a highlight, also in the inner corner. I don't have a lot of Violet Voss, but this is very, very pigmented, and I actually really like the formula. Taking another smaller blending brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Terracotta. It's the orange shade. And I'm going to put this into the outer corner of my eye. Then now that I'm looking at the palette, this is going to sound so ridiculous to you guys because it's an inside joke, but it's football Sunday as I'm filming this, and I was told to do a Miami Dolphins look, and I have orange in my crease, and I feel like now's my only chance to do this and make it be an inside joke with my friends. So I'm going to go in with emerald, and it might look crazy, but it's going to be Miami Dolphins, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to pick up the emerald shade with the smudger brush from Moda and pack this all over my lid. My best friend's husband is a huge Miami fan, and he made a joke about us wearing Miami Dolphins makeup today because I'm going over to their house later, and this is just going to be hilarious. Now, this color combination is really interesting, but this emerald shade is really, really beautiful on its own, so this is just really, really funny. This is literally just for fun. I would never wear this out, but I mean, it's working. It's working in its own way, okay? I'm taking another clean brush, and I'm going to take Terracotta, the orange, and smoke out my lower lash line. All right, now thankfully there is a liner next up in the box because liner needs to save this look. This is the Hank & Henry Blickity Black Eyeliner. It retails for $20. I've never tried anything from Hank & Henry, but I'm excited to try this out. It's supposed to be extremely long wearing and transfer resistant. And so I'm going to give it a go and do a little cat eye. It is like a felt tip liner. It almost looks like it would be brown. I think just the packaging is brown. It has a flexible tip. It's not like a regular marker liner. All right, so I'm gonna add lashes and I will be right back to finish up with highlighter. All right, so my lashes are on. I actually popped on a little bit of teal glitter from Too Faced just to make the look a little bit more something because it's not my best work, but shout out to my best friend's husband for the Miami Dolphins theme. Now I can get on to the last item in the box, which is a highlighter. So this is actually an old favorite. This is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, and this is in the shade Gilded Honey. This was like everyone's favorite highlighter when I first got into YouTube. So here it is. I'm actually a huge fan of the Laura Geller highlighters. They do retail for $26, so this right here is over the value of what you're spending on Boxycharm. So I'm just gonna complete my look. I've got my Morphe M510, and I'm gonna hit my cheekbones. It's such a beautiful golden glass-like highlight. I actually can't believe I stopped using it. It's mega blinding. This is just one of those products that I forgot about for some reason. I'm gonna add a little to my nose and blend it out, and that is it. So that is everything out of my September Boxycharm. The only thing I didn't get to try is the sleeping mask. Everything else I really love. I'm so glad to have the highlighter back in my collection because I did love that a lot back in the day, and it is so blinding and beautiful. But I also love the eyeshadow palette. I think the formula of the shadows is great. The brushes were good, the liner worked, and I'm pretty happy overall with this box this month. As always, my favorite thing about filming Boxycharm videos is getting to know what you guys got in your box. So if you got a different variation, a different color of anything that I got, then go ahead and let me know in the comments because I love reading them. My box had a value at over $150. So again, you're getting 5 full-size items in the box for $21 a month, and you really can't beat it. So far, no subscription box in my eyes has really beat Boxycharm. But that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoy my monthly unboxings, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any in the future. And hopefully I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.